If you are wondering how to get smoother and more youthful looking skin without spending a fortune, then I've got the secret for you today, and it's retinol. Yeah, you've heard it right. But don't worry, I'm not here to overwhelm you guys with the complicated skincare jargon. Instead, I'm going to show you how I have added it to my nighttime skincare routine in the easiest way possible, and the results have been amazing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Manisha and I share everything from skincare tips to beauty hacks. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's dive into my updated nighttime skincare routine featuring retinol. So let's first talk about what retinol exactly is. It is a powerful ingredient that helps with cells turnover, reduce fine line and improve your skin texture. But it can be a bit tricky to use in your skincare routine and may cause several skin issues if not used correctly. So I'll explain you how to add it in your skincare routine safely. Retinol can also cause skin irritations for some, so we'll be talking about how you can avoid that. And the retinol that I'm currently using is from the House of Some by me. This is a very basic, beginner friendly retinol. That's why I'm talking about this particular product in this video. First of all, talking about the packaging, the texture, it is really great. I've never seen packaging like this before. Like the color, the way the bottle looks, they are literally very cute and very attractive. Texture of this product is also very milky and hydrating, and it has a very mild and pleasant scent. Now the other products that I've been using with retinol is cleanser, toner and moisturizer. Let's dive into the process now. I always start with double cleansing my face to remove the makeup and impurities. Cleansing balm that I'm using right now is from the House of Plum. It is a very affordable and effective makeup cleanser. And as soon as I'm done cleansing, I use toner to balance my skin's pH level. And here's where the magic happens. I apply small amount of retinol on my face, focusing on the areas where I want to target fine lines and wrinkles. Now a pro tip here is that don't go overboard when using a retinol. You just need a pea-size amount, and in terms of this serum, I'm going to use 3 drops of this product all over my face and neck. Pro tip here is that start using with only twice a week and then increase gradually. Don't start using every single day from the beginning, because then basically you are damaging your skin barrier, nothing else. Now talking about the hydration, retinols can be very drying, so you need to apply a thick layer of moisturization after using a retinol. Don't go for that light gel-like textures after applying retinol, because it can be really drying even after applying a thick moisturizer. So the tip here is that stay away from the gel-like textures, apply a thick heavy texture. The moisturizer I'm using today is from the Face Shop. It's this Therapy Range 7 Oil in Blend Moisturizer. This is my absolute favorite moisturizer, very thick. Amazing for people who have dry, dehydrated skin like I do. Now let's talk about the tips and tricks. Number one thing is that sunscreen is must the next day after using a retinol, because it makes your skin more sensitive to sun. Secondly, be patient while using retinol. Give it 5 to 6 weeks to see the results on your skin. Results takes time. Even I've been using retinol from last 1 year, and now I've seen changes like the texture on my nose is completely gone. My skin feels as smooth as a baby's bum. I'm not saying it's only because of the retinol, but retinol definitely plays a big part in your skincare routine. Well, that's it for my updated nighttime skincare routine. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know if you have any question regarding retinol in the comment section below, and I'll see you within another video. Till then, bye.